Physics Wallah and Unacademy, two Indian EdTech giants. Both started as YouTube channels and both became unicorns. But today, one is valued around $2.8 billion and other is looking for the buyer with valuation of $800 million, which is 76% crash from its peak valuation.
Co-founder Gaurav Munjal has stepped down as CEO, and Roman Saini, another co-founder, is also exiting from active duties.
Unacademy was trying to create a massive marketplace of educators teaching everything from engineering to government exam. They had premium pricing. Their subscription courses were starting from 38,000 to 50,000 rupees. In FY21 alone, they spent 400 crore on marketing. They were diversified into multiple verticals like UPSC, banking, skills, and even on job platform. And on the other hand, we have Physics Wallah. Their course price is low as 3,000 to 5,000 rupees per year. That was 10 times cheaper than their competitors. They had very minimal marketing spend. Their biggest strength was their students. By word of mouth, they were getting organic growth. And due to these reasons, they were profitable from day one. And due to their low pricing, they built a loyal fan base of students from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Now, the main phase of the story is phase of lockdown. When COVID-19 hit in 2020, both companies exploded in growth. Schools were shut down, students were learning online, and the EdTech sector became the hottest investment space for India. But here is the catch. Well, Physics Wallah used the momentum to build infrastructure. They launched their app, they hired quality teachers, and importantly, they stayed disciplined. There was no wild spending and there was no crazy expansion. On the other hand, Unacademy acquired 12 companies. They hired thousands of employees and poured money into celebrity endorsement and aggressive advertising. And that's why in FY22, their loss come close to the 3,000 crore rupees, and after COVID, school reopened. Physics Wallah launched its first offline center, PW Vidyapit in Kota in June 2022. In the same month, they became unicorn. But here is the smart move. Instead of spending crores in infrastructure, they kept the infra cost minimal, focused on digital tools, and keep pricing affordable. And today, they have 200 plus centers across 140 cities. And over 2 lakh students are learning offline in PW. And they kept their 47% revenue by offline mode. And that's a perfect balance for the hybrid model, and still they are profitable. But on the other hand, Unacademy spent big on infrastructure. They made 18,000 square feet centers, libraries, merchandise, and they hired top teachers from Ellen and Akash. And they plan to enroll 15,000 learners in the first batch. And that's why they saw a 400% growth in their revenue. But due to these all expenses, they at the same point of time they were losing the money. In FY23, they have loss of 1600 crores, and by FY24, their revenue declined by 7.5%. So the revenue was declining while losses were persistent. And we can hear the talks that Unacademy can be acquired by Upgrade or Allen. So if we see both of them having same crisis and both applied the same solution, but Physics Wallah understood their customers and built sustainably, and Unacademy chased growth and burned billions. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.